Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today we're going to take a look at the seeds of the peas that we just planted not that long ago. And let me tell you, they're coming out of the ground very strong. So going into the spring and summer, I expect that these will do incredibly well. I may even fabricate a secondary or trellising system that looks like this over here. I'll put a stake there and put them up and then tie some strings back and forth and really get some tremendous production out of these pea plants. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel out quite a bit. And stay tuned because I'm going to keep you updated on the progress of these peas going forward. Mind you, this is an understory location too. We tested out in the full sun and these didn't survive at all. So in this understory location late last year they did pretty well, and so we're going to stick to this method. Have a good day.